Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Picasso.com, as people from all of the world and United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this portal. Picasso.com is the e-commerce web store that claims to offer a variety of television sets to cater your needs. The website has been launched recently and it claims to have best collection of smart TVs and LED TVs. Let's check out the specification and key factors of this website. It is HTTP secured website selling LED and smart televisions. Email address have been shared on the website, but unfortunately that is not matching the domain name and it can be a red alert. Moreover, phone number and physical address not shared on the website. No social media presence is available for this website. As far as payment methods are concerned, they are accepting all cards and PayPal. For order processing, they need 24 hours. They have shipping agency to deliver the shipment. As far as return and refund is concerned, product return is only entertained when a return request is registered within 7 days of delivery or purchase. A refund is provided after inspecting the returned product. It is created on 17 September 2021, newly created website. Let's check out the positive point of Picasso.com. The website has a simple layout design, easy browsing of products. Product description are available, different new models of smart and LED TVs, low price clearance sale available. The negative point of Picasso.com are unrealistic pricing policy, no information about shipping time, no owner details or address shared, no contact number have been found, there is no review available online, no information on return and refund time or process. So here question may come in mind, is Picasso.com is legit or a scam? As we have discussed, it is newly launched e-commerce website selling variety of television set at discounted rates, but we must check out the authenticity of the site. So as the website name is Picasso.com, but it has the logo of Walmart, which has nothing to do with the website, so it makes the website seem suspicious. The owner details or phone number is not shared other than an email address that differs the domain name. It is another red alert. No reviews found online for this website. It is 17 days old website, means it is less than 6 month old website. Is like risking your personal information and bank details. As far as its trust index is concerned, it has 1% score and trust rank is about 0.6 out of 100. The website is highly suspicious and the pricing of the product is again unrealistic. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, as we have discussed, it is just 17 days old website and less grabbing the worldwide customers' attention. The website has many loopholes and lacks customer reviews section, so customer won't find any review or comment from online shoppers. So in our conclusion, we can say that no doubt the website is selling advanced LED and smart TV at low clearance sale and it offers hard to believe prices for TV, but it is not a trustworthy website. It is suspicious. As you know, many scams are going on, so we are not recommending you at all to shop anything from this store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience and views regarding this website. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.